ground.
Hey guys, it's Caleb K and TV here, and today we're at Burger King. So you may be wondering what we're doing here. And before you watch this video, like, comment, and subscribe. That would be awesome. And so today, you may be wondering what we're doing is we're gonna be doing 100 chicken nugget challenge. I'm gonna be trying to eat 100 chicken nuggets. This is gonna be a crazy challenge. I prepped all day for this. I've been fasting for about 2 weeks. I'm feeling pretty good. So before I walk in here, like, comment, and subscribe. Really subscribe. Think that would be wonderful. That'd be tremendous. And just like, comment, and subscribe. Let's go. Let's do this. Ooh. Let's do this challenge. Yeah. Alright. There's people in Africa that are starving and I'm over here doing... Oh, thank you for your service, by the way.
Thank you.
Yeah. There's kids in Africa that are starving. And you know what I'm doing? I'm sitting in a Burger King in an upper class neighborhood eating 100 chicken nuggets. I'll show you where my priorities are, right? Alright. What's Anthony doing? Oh, he's waiting for us. Hey guys, before I do this chicken nugget challenge, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Please subscribe. I want to be a famous guy someday. Okay, so let's start the chicken nugget challenge. This first one right here. Oh yeah. I'm full now. I'm full. Oh yeah? Let's do this, buddy.
You're going to do them all by yourself?
Hopefully.
They're called ambulance and send out there to go
Hey guys, so I'm feeling pretty full right now. I ate about, I'd say about 70 chicken nuggers. We've been here for about an hour and a half. It really helped if you like, comment, and subscribe. It really powered me through these last 30 nuggers. And I believe in myself. I'm pretty confident I can do it. I'm pretty confident. So, we'll check back in when I'm done.
Okay, we've been here for about 2.5 hours. About 3 nuggets left. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit these nuggers right now. No, feed it to me. Alright. 99 nuggers. It's the 99th nugget right here.
Are you feeling alright?
Fucking dead. Slayer. I don't think I can stand now, but hey guys, so I just did the 100 chicken nugget challenge and I successfully beat it. It was on Burger King's secret menu. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video on Facebook, Twitter. You know, follow me on Facebook and Twitter at these names right here. Feel free to add me on Snapchat right here. And that'll be all. Thanks guys, thanks for watching. Tune back in next time, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
Do you love me, Matthew?
I do.
Honestly?